Okay, so it is 8 a.m. Been going since 6:30 this morning. Got the bikes out. Of course, today is about getting the bikes all set up, tested, and affirmed. So I'm probably going to go out with Merlin first, and I'm going to get Emrys jacked up and get the front forks changed on this bike. So unless I save that for later in the day, it depends how much riding I want to do today. And so anyways, we're at Chuckwalla, and our neighbor here, Baxter, he's a fan as well, and I had a bunch of fans. So lots of fans out in California. Everybody enjoys the videos, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. Lily?
Yeah, hi.
Marcel, Irnie,
Hi.
Canada.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I was just chatting with Dustin. I was thinking about doing a half long. Okay, let's start up Emrys. Put some heat in there.
Watching videos. I've watched a lot of videos. I'm going to keep watching the videos.
You know what? This is our last event of the year, so thank you guys for coming. I say this every time, you know, but as long as you guys keep showing up to these things, we'll keep doing it for you, and we appreciate your business. Thank you. We will not have a race to practice in the afternoon because it's dark early. And when I say it gets dark early, I am not bullshitting you guys. It gets dark early. We were here last night. It was dark by 4:30. Who's in new racer school? Yeah!
Yeah, you want to explain what you're doing?
Just swapped the forks on Emrys for another set. And because I was having some chassis issues at Thunder Hill, which caused me to get all out of sorts on the brakes multiple times, and then eventually it caught up with me and crashed me. So now I just got to get the fork height. Same on both forks. So yeah, trying to make the afternoon session.
Bike's broken.
No, what happened to it?
I was literally on my third lap of the first session and my rectifier burned out, so now my bike's dead.
You have a Gixxer, right?
Yeah.
I'm not surprised, we had the same problem. We fixed it.
Oh yeah, I follow you guys on YouTube. I saw that you had like a 750 or 600 or something.
A 600, yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, just because no one has the bike, I couldn't find the part. So, and it sucks because I was doing new racer school today too, so
That
like,
sucks.
hey, you drove 4 hours, you waited a couple years to go get your race license, but wait another month, try again. So anyway, I just need to be like you guys and have an A bike and B bike, then it wouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, no, for sure. It comes like with times, you know, it's a lot of investment at first, right?
Oh, totally. I'm honestly just getting started on like consistently doing track days, like just got a truck, just got all this stuff. So it's a humble setup and usually it works, but today, not so much.
I'm sorry
So anyway, what's your first name?
Marianne.
Marianne, I'm Braxton. Nice to meet you.
Just a second.
I met Marcel earlier, so
Yeah,
it's cool to pit next to you guys.
Fun and like that you were watching video.
Yeah,
Do you
definitely.
have a favorite one?
Oh, I don't know. I've watched a lot of them. I remember one time he was in first place at a race and the header came off his exhaust and he had to drop out. I'm sure that was a similar level of disappointment to what I feel today. Like, oh,
Yeah.
4 hours of driving and then I ride for 8 minutes and I'm out.
Have you seen the Laguna Seca video when the jakes are taking fire because of the rectifier?
Oh yeah, jeez, man. See, that's why you gotta ride Yamaha or BMW in your case.
Well, that's also why you have to buy OEM part and
Yeah.
don't do like Marcel. Listen to me. Buy OEM. Don't buy the Chinese.
Yeah.
Taking fire.
Definitely. This is OEM, but it's so old that like
Yeah.
the casing
Which
on the
year is it?
06.
Yeah.
The thing was, is it was actually right behind the radiator, and I moved it right here. But those wires, because they get so hot, like the rubber on it literally gets like hard, and so I
Yeah.
think it cracked. It like got hard and cracked,
yeah.
and then it shorted. So
That's not good.
yeah, but at least it didn't catch fire, and I didn't
So now
crash.
you know, like, if you ride that bike, you should have a double of that part.
Yeah, definitely. If it broke once, it'll probably break again. So
Yeah.
have an extra. Anyway, well, I'm gonna head over to the class. At least I can finish the class today and then come back and do my practice race. Then I'll have my license. So not a total waste, but still pretty disappointed.
Yeah, well, you missed a nice day right now.
Yeah, it's I mean, for the desert, this is as good as it gets.
Yeah.
So anyway, well, thank
good
you.
luck and have fun in your class at least.
Yeah, will do. Thank you.
See ya. So, how the bike work for you, Marcel?
Here's first time rocking the Grift.
How the suspension worked for you?
There we go.
Oh, now you're gonna hear me. You had your music on, huh?
Yeah.
I said how the suspension worked for you.
Oh, I was just going around slowly, and I gotta make a gearing change, I believe. So, from a 44 rear to a 43, I think it'll be good. But I forgot to set the bike up gearing. I forgot to even look at my notes from last time I was here. But the track's in reverse direction now too, which could change things. Just ran the Ghost 4K, but I ran it in 2.7K mode. So resolution will be like 2,500 pixels by something at 60 frames. So I wanted to see what that looks like. So hopefully the audio, I have to test the audio. There we go.
Have you set up the mic already on it?
Well, it's the same mic that was already in the camera.
Okay, good.
That one's named Merlin. The other one was named Emrys. I mean, the bikes are pretty much identical, just for except for the brakes. That's exactly identical. Besides that, yeah. It's just, you know, those brakes aren't that expensive. Those are two-piece, so you can get those brakes for like $2,500.
Not bad.
You know, not like those ones that are $5 grand or whatever per side, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's like Rossi and all the MotoGP guys got. Oh, I have time to switch my gearing though, so I'll do that the next one. now. I'm gonna try a 43. And this one gets a little stuck on the one. There we go. 44, 43. Hopefully this will be the better solution. And always use Loctite, of course, on anything important. And everything, anything and everything. It's clogged up. My Loctite is clogged. Fuck.
But you need like a needle.
I just did that.
There we go. Neven's getting the bike all ready for tomorrow.
You know what I say, right? A clean bike is a bike they ain't gonna look too hard at. Now, if it's dirty, they're gonna find all kinds of things wrong, right?
Yeah, I always hear that when people check my bike. It's like, I always like your bikes because they're always so clean. And I'm like, it's actually dirty right now. I haven't even cleaned it. It's a mess. And they're like, it's still a lot cleaner than everybody else's.
Believe me, because that's just the thing too, man. You know, like a little bit of dirt in the wrong place could hide a serious problem, you know?
Yeah, by touching every component, you find loose bolts, whatever, something missed.
Yeah, a lot of guys I know they haven't taken their bikes apart in years, and then you rip off the fairings and you find something's been rubbing and cutting a hole through a wire, or they had some weird electrical fault, or bolts come out of the subframe. I've seen that.
Yeah, for sure.
engine frame bolt wiggling out. Don't want that.
This is on the new Gorilla Pod, so I can vlog a little better. So I'm gonna go pick up my tires. I just ordered a new SC1 front tire from Corey here at CT Racing, and I'm gonna have I have a used SC0 and a used SC1 for tomorrow's qualifying and races. So hopefully the track temperature gets up to around 40 Celsius. I don't know if it will. I forgot to check the track temperature today, but otherwise the SC0 will just rip up pretty badly. So we'll see how that goes, and people are filling up the pit here. The moon is out. It's getting dark. It's getting real dark right now, and it's freaking almost 5 o'clock. So, oh yeah, I need to get some numbers on the Emrys here, because we're probably gonna be racing Emrys tomorrow, and maybe I'll switch to Merlin after a little while. We'll see. Just as long as I get a good baseline with Emrys first.